In the beautiful village of Mount Zion, in a quiet neighborhood, welcome to 1625 Hunters Pointe Court. This lovely home sits on a peaceful cul-de-sac and built in 2021. You'll find beautiful landscaping at the front, and private space in the back with a lovely patio area and fenced backyard. Come inside to 9-foot vaulted ceilings. You'll enjoy 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and almost 3,000 square feet of living space. The open concept floor plan offers plenty of space and natural light. The kitchen has beautiful white cabinetry, pantry, stainless steel appliances, luxurious countertops, and a large island. The master bedroom and bathroom is on the main level with walk-in closet, double vanity, stand-alone tub, and walk-in shower. 2 other bedrooms and laundry room are also located on the main floor. The lower level offers the 4th bedroom, full bathroom, and a huge rec room or family room. So many possibilities here. For more information or your own private tour, contact Nicole Pinkston with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate today.